Don't you know that worry is a sin? Ang ano po pala ang pag-aalala ay kasalanan for two reasons. Una, it displaces God in your life. Meaning, when you worry, you are living as though or as if God did not exist, or you are living as though you alone can solve your problem. Second, it distracts you from the things that really matter in life. So as long as you are worrying, you can do nothing. Kaya nga po, it can only makes you handicapped. Wala ka nang nagagawa kapag ka tayo nag-aalala. You are strangled by worry. So, kaya nga po, sa tutusin, worry is not only a sin, but is really a form of idolatry. You know the reason why? Because when you worry, the things you are worried about has replaced God on the throne of the universe. So marahil meron magsasabi sa inyo, no, hindi ganyan yan, Pastor. As soon as I say that people want to argue with me, maaaring sasabihin nila, oh, Pastor, hindi mo alam kung anong mga pinagdaraanan ko. Oh, paano ba ako magiging masaya kung ako na may maraming problema? Paano ba ako magiging masaya kung ang mga anak ko yung mga pasaway? Halimbawa lang yan, mga kapatid. Ano? Paano ako maging masaya kung ako ay nasa banig ng karamdaman? Oh? Paano ako maging masaya if people have mistreated me? Kaya kailangan ko lang na gumanti. Yan. Paano ako magiging masaya, Pastor, kung wala akong pera? Mas magiging masaya ako kung marami akong pera. O, kita niyo mga kapatid. Alam niyo po ba na worry and prayer are opposites? Ano po? It's just like water and fire. Hindi pwede magsama. Kaya nga po, dalawang bagay lang ang pwede mong gawin. Manalangin or mag-aalala. Pero hindi ka po pwedeng dalawa. No? Hindi po pwedeng mananalangin ka pagkatapos mag-aalala ka.